Good morning, this is Freddie with Plumbing Tree. We're located on the roof of 7961 Cinnabar Drive in La Mesa. This is the property here, and couldn't find a ground level access, so we are doing a camera inspection through the roof bed. This is a 3-inch cast iron roof head, and we're going to be running the camera to inspect the main sewer line. Yeah. So we still have cast iron pipe here. Most likely it's a 4-inch line. It says 15 feet because we were going down. Now we're going vertically. Now we're going horizontal. So I'm going to zero out the footage here. There's a tie-in coming in. The bottom of the pipe is the top right side of your screen. What we look for in cast iron is any valleys starting to form, any cracks, any offsets, just show signs of deterioration. Rust is expected just because the nature of water coming in contact with metal. This being an almost 60-year-old line. Looks like we have a transition here. ABS plastic. So either a tie-in was put in or a repair was made. The bottom of the pipe is actually top of your screen. We're about 20 feet out right now. Here's a turn to the right, to the left. We're about 35 feet out. This is actually a 4-inch line. Looks like the one we were in before was 3. You can tell because you can't really see the top of the pipe as well. A little more sitting water here on the bottom. The goal is to make it out to the city main. Sometimes the plumbing or the condition of the line doesn't allow us to. We're about 60 feet out. I think we could make it roughly in about 90 feet or so. We're going to run some water now. We're going to pause recording and just try to help push the line a little further. Looks like that might be a drop. That's 70 feet out. Looks like that's a drop at the property line. There we go. It's a little easier to see on the way back. Let's go and flush the toilet. Each toilet one time is fine. We're going to pause recording. Alright, as you see, we are at the city main connection, 106 feet away approximately. We're going to pull back and get a better picture of the line. Now we're in clay pipe, and this is going to be somewhere in the middle of the street. There's an offset here, that's why there's some sitting water. See, it's just floating around. In La Mesa, I believe the city may take responsibility from the property line out, but don't take is my word for it. They're always changing their policies. Looks like we got some root growth at 95 feet. It looks like it's a connection between two pieces of clay. The bottom of the pipe is the top of your screen. We're going to locate the spot when it transitions from clay to cast iron. Usually there's a existing buried clean out there. So here's a turn, probably a drop, still clay pipe, slight offset. $75 out now. There's some more roots, and that's a transition actually. Here's cast iron pipe, you can tell because of the rugged surface, and then that's clay. So we're going to locate this spot. We're going to pause recording. Okay, we located this spot. It's on the west end of the property line, and where it transitions from cast iron to clay. Be a perfect spot for a clean out. So it looks like most of the root problems are in the clay side. The inside diameter, since it's less, will make it kind of difficult. Yeah, there's possible. Now, the inside diameter of the cast iron there will make it a little difficult to put the snake through there to clean the line properly. He needs proper blades to go through there. We're going to locate this spot as well. We're going to pause recording. Alright, we located this spot. We're going to pull back. We're just going to go locate one more area where the line exits the house, just so we can get direction of the sewer line. Tell it's actually some sitting water here. So here we got a valley. Looks like it starts. Yeah, it starts right at this connection. Right there. I'm going to locate this spot just to see how far we are. Pause recording. Okay, we're pulling back. About 10 feet. The diameter of the pipe is right through your screen. So it comes out of the house. I'm going to pause recording here. Okay, we moved that spot a little bit up as we were locating. And it goes back towards the house. Connects. And now we're inside the house. This all looks like 3-inch pipe here. code, it should be 4 inch because we have 2 toilets here on this particular line. There's one repair that was made. Overall condition is not too bad. The line is in fair condition. It is approaching its life expectancy. I'd say before it causes any issues, it's probably going to last a few years. It's just preventing liability. It might be advised to get this line replaced. We're coming up the vent now. Probably within the next 5 years. Definitely this line, because of the roots, needs a proper access point, and we located 2 spots for that. Transition from the clay to cast iron, about 5 or 6 feet would need to be replaced there, so it's good to have a clean out right outside the house, about 2 feet from the foundation, and so we marked that spot as well. So we'll make our recommendations. And we're going to pause recording here, or we're going to stop recording, and this actually concludes the inspection. Thank you for your time.